Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to remove a member from a group on Instagram using your PC. With the latest updates, the process is straightforward and can be done in just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main feed. Next, look for the messages icon located in the left menu. This icon resembles an envelope or speech bubble and is where all your direct messages are stored. Click on it to access your chats. Now that you're in the messages section, find and open the group chat from which you want to remove a member. Click on the group chat to enter the conversation. Once inside, locate the info icon at the top of the chat window. This icon usually appears as an eye or a small circle with a letter inside. Clicking on this will take you to the group settings where you can manage members. In the group settings, scroll through the list of members until you find the person you wish to remove. Next to their name, you will see 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal more options. From the options that appear, select Remove from Group. This action will prompt a confirmation message asking if you are sure about removing this member. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking on Remove again. This will successfully remove the member from your group chat, and they will no longer have access to any messages or updates shared within that group. And that's it. You've just learned how to remove a member from an Instagram group using your PC with ease. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tricks on navigating social media platforms effectively. Thank you for watching.